Greetings, it's AGAN aircraft industry here, and recently, a Cessna Cardinal RG from America entered our work. During the transportation from the USA to Russia, the skin of Cardinal was damaged, but our team will not only restore it, but also bring the whole aircraft to perfect condition. Now, let's talk about skin restoration. There is no American aluminum in Russia, but we have our own D16T aviation aluminum, and it is similar to the American 6063T6 or 6061T4. So our new skin will have exactly the same thickness and margin of safety as the original. In order to remove the part, you need to drill out each rivet. But we don't have any drawings on Cessna, which means we cannot completely copy the part for cutting on the CNC machine. Therefore, we must make a full copy manually. In order for the aircraft to fly without problems for as long as possible, before installing a new skin, the tail section of the aircraft is completely cleaned of dirt, degreased and primed. That's how we restored the damaged skin on the Cessna Cardinal RG. The customer is satisfied. The work is done perfectly. Thanks for your attention.